Hello, I'm Dr. Andrew Kaufman, and today I'm here to talk to you about unsatisfactory outcomes with natural healing protocols. Have you tried several or at least one natural healing or detoxification protocol, but you didn't have the results you expected? Or perhaps even worse, you experienced a severe cleansing reaction that made you sicker than you were to begin with? Well, this is a relatively common problem that I've encountered since I've studied and had experience in natural healing. And what happens is that when you begin to undergo a healing or detoxification protocol, your body begins to mobilize the stored toxins that are in your tissues and may even be causing your unpleasant symptoms that you might consider an illness or disease. And when this happens, all of the toxins go into the blood to make their way to the liver, where they can be further processed and ultimately eliminated completely out of the body. And when that process is successful is when you experience excellent healing results. However, if your liver happens to be gummed up, congested, or with fatty infiltration, then you can develop a log jam in this process where the toxins are unable to go through the liver and they have to go elsewhere in the body. This is what happens when you have a cleansing reaction, that they're stuck in your blood and cause you to develop symptoms like fever, loss of appetite, nausea, fatigue, and even cramps if they go into your muscles and other connective tissue. It can also result in you not having adequate healing because your body is not able to fully eliminate the toxins that are disrupting yourself. So once again, I have the solution for this problem, and it is to cleanse your liver. And in my upcoming Love Your Liver workshop, I will be teaching a thorough and comprehensive strategy and process that you can go through to fully rehabilitate your liver. And in the future, after that, your healing process will be fully realized. Now, if you do attend my workshop, I want to remind you that there are 3 bonus materials: the Love Your Liver protocol, the liver foods fact sheet, and my very own liver lovin' chili recipe. So please click through and join us for this important workshop to learn how to love your liver the way it deserves.